Welcome to Elite Fashions. Saris are known for their rich and elegant look. These are the some of famous saris in particular state. Kanchivaram silk saris are from Tamil Nadu. These are made up of pure silks by adding silver and gold jerrys. It gives you very luxurious look. They're having a different pattern designs. In Kanchivaram silk saris, borders are the main highlights. They can be kaddi border or peacock design borders. These are good for traditional events. Banarasi saris are from Varanasi. These are made up of silk and cotton. These saris includes embroidery pallu which is much longer than their borders. They can be consisted of nature-like pattern weaving with bird structures. They are vibrant in colors. Those are very good for traditional and western looks. Paithani saris are from Maharashtra. These are made up of silk and cotton. It consists of characterizer borders with oblique square design and peacock designs. It have plain spotter-like patterns. It suits for both weddings and western looks. They can be contain very beautiful pallu with colorful peacock designs. Gadwal saris are from Telangana. It made up of cotton in body and silks in pallu. Gadwal saris are very lightweight which is possible to pack in matchbox. It comes with line-like patterns. These are friendly for both young and old age people. These are mainly for traditional events only. Patola saris are from Gujarat. It consists of geometric patterns achieved through a double ikat technique and also follow tie and dyes techniques. They contributing high quality silks. They are for traditional events. Bandhani saris are from Gujarat. These are made by cotton silk with process of tying and small knots by hand, and it creates geometric pattern. Bandhani means tie and dye as a particular designs. These are for very traditional events. Kalamkari saris. Kalamkari saris are from Andhra Pradesh. These are made by silk and cotton. These prints consist of nature-like drawings, lining by hand and filling with their colors. After they can be polished, it gives you western party looks. It's suitable for every traditional events also. Pochampalli saris are from Telangana. They are hand woven by mixture of natural dyes. They are unique geometric patterns and these designs appear after sari was woven. These are simply events friendly. Kesabu saris are from Kerala. These are made by white and lighter shades of silks and design consists of gold and jerry. The most popular Kesavu saris are Malaika. Those are suitable for traditional events only. Chicken curry saris are from Uttar Pradesh. The best thing about the saris are embroidery work which takes days to complete. Chicken curry saris have classy and elegant look with royal appearance. They are suitable for party wear. Organza saris are from Karnataka. These are very delicate fabrics are woven by silk and the organza saris contain very unique pattern and structures are very smooth and delicate. Those are good choice for trendy party wear. Chanderi silk saris are from Madhya Pradesh. These saris are unique and shimmery structures. The cloth feels like very smooth. They are artistic golden zari works on sari. These are suitable for party wears and very traditional events too. They are look like expensive. Tent saris are from West Bengal. These are made by cotton thread, which makes them light and transparent. These are handloom saris. The tent saris are mainly for traditional events, which are friendly for every summer occasion. Sambalpuri saris are from Odisha. They are usually we can see fish designs in borders. It represents success and wealth. They are mainly for their simplicity and tribal teenage. There are traditional occasions to wear. Muga silk saris are from Assam. These mainly by made gold and silver threads. These threads natural yellowish and golden tint shimmering and glossy structures. Please like and share. Subscribe for more updates, Elite Fashions.